Let's understand combo box control. I'm in my make.powerapps.com and open the app in edit mode. Let me add a new screen here. I will go with the blank screen. So I will change the screen name to combo box screen. So just a name. So let me add a combo box here. So combo box is something like a drop down, but it will allow us to select multiple records from it, and it has a property of data source, like we can append to any, like we can get the data from table, or we can add a collection here, and we have a showing multiple fields here. We can show two or more two fields here. So, and the display mode visible, and these properties are similar to other controls. So let me show this thing first. So I will try to add some items here. So in the previously, like we were adding array type data, right? So similarly we can add that data. So A, B, C, so X, Y, Z, and test. Okay, so if you play this one, so we are able to see the items here. So we can select multiple items. Here also we can increase the font size if it looks good. So in the previous video, like we learned about collection, like creating the collection. So if you see this one, so in this one, like we have a collection in the on start. So we need to go to app, and in the on start we have created a collection. So if you observe here, these are the 4 records we have. Let me show it in the text. I will take this copy and put it in the notepad so we can understand properly. So this is the collection name, and here this is the array we gave. So without array, if you don't want to give this like this, we can remove this one and we can add a collection like this. So this is also correct one. So if you take copy of this one and paste it here, there is no syntax error, so it is similar. So let me run on start again. Run on start. So by the time it has created a collection. So if you want to see the collection, if you observe here, so it will below, it is showing the data, so whatever we created. Let me use a clear collect. So what collect will do, it will try to add a record to it, and it will not remove the previous record. So if I use the clear collect, so it will create a new record, new entire, it will remove all the record from the collection, and it will add again. So if you don't use the clear collect, so some duplicate records will be created. I have run on start again. So if you see this data now, so it has 4 records. So let me go to the screen and add a combo box again. So if you see, so let me expand this one, and I will place it here. Let me increase the font size also. So In this time I will add the data source as a my collection. So if you see, we can add a data source here. So create a new table, connectors. So if you search with my collection, my table. So let me get that name, the name which we created. So this is the name, my table collection. So if I take this one, go to the combo box, and here we need to search this one. So better we can try removing this one and take a copy and control V I'm doing. So once I add this one, so here in the items list we can give the my table collection. So I have given this one in the edit field. So in the fields edit, we have a layouts here. This is single layout. We have a double layout and person. So double layout is like we can view the two columns value, and in the single, like we can only view the single column value. So in the person, like we can see the image also. That we will do it later in the future videos. So if you go with the single, like primary text, if we select the first name and search field also first name. So if you see, I'm just updating. So if you preview this one, we are able to see the first names from the drop down like combo box list. So let me decrease the size, it is big now. So yeah, this is better. So here also, so if I do this changes in the field, click on edit, and if we go to the double, and whatever the second field we want to, secondary text we want to show, for example gender we want to show, then it will be shown gender. So first if you see, so it's collided. Second we can increase the size. So if we preview now, oh, it's similar. So decrease the font size, maybe it is good to decrease the font size. Let me give 18. So if you preview this one, so now it looks better. So if you take this one, it will only select the first name it is showing, and the second name it is not showing in the selected list, but here it is showing. So we can like this combo box will return the records. So these are the multiple records we selected, not the single value or a single value. It's a multiple records we selected. So we have another option here. If you go to this one, let me remove this value. If we want to search any value, for example, so want to search, need to enable search I think. So if you select this one and go to the search, the searchable is false. So if you make this true, so we can search the value here. So let me play this one, and something like we can search it. So let me search with the W word bullard, so the related words will be visible. And also whatever the records we select here, we want to show it in the like selected records we want to show, means we can use of vertical gallery. So in the vertical gallery we can learn in the next video. Just I want to show the record here. If you see the layout here, I will go with the title and subtitle, and I will set in the items property, I will give this name. The name is combo box 11. So let me check this one. So let me go to the screen again and gallery. If I go to the gallery and items property, if I give this one dot selected items, so if you preview now and select any record, if you see the record which is selected is coming here. That's all about combo box. We will learn the gallery thing in the next video. Thanks.